Hello, thank you for tuning in today. My name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing the different communication features that are available in Construction Online and their functionality. So, to get started, there are two locations that we can go to look at the communication features. We can do so from the company overview and communications, or we can do so from a project and go to the same communication tools. Now, I'm going to go to a project and click into the communication feature just because there is one feature that isn't present at the company level. Now, to get started, the first feature that we'll look at in the communications is going to be the channels. Channels are going to be a very informal way of communicating amongst the company employees, whether that be at a company channel where we have multiple company employees from multiple projects included on it, or if we're looking at it from the project level, which is going to be a channel consistent of project level company employees. A very accurate comparison for a channel would be things like a group text message, Facebook Messenger, or GroupMe. It's going to be a very quick and easy way for communication to be given back and forth between company employees. The next feature in our communications is going to be messages. This is Construction Online's version of an email. This will allow you to generate a message, and any recipients are going to receive that message through their email. They can either reply through Construction Online or through the email that they are receiving, and their response will track back into Construction Online. Now, the next feature that kind of builds upon the messaging feature is going to be inbound emails. Now, this is going to be that feature that isn't present at the company level that I was discussing earlier. This is going to allow users to send emails directly from their personal or work email and send those directly into the specific project for full documentation and accountability. So this is for those situations where a subcontractor, a vendor, a client, whoever it may be, emailed your personal or work email, and you need that email to be associated with a very specific project. You can then forward that over into Construction Online. The next communication feature that we have are announcements. These are going to work as custom notifications. They are going to be one-way communications that allow you to send quick messages to company users or to a project team, and they do not allow for a response back. Next, we have our call logs. This is a communication feature that allows for users to document important conversations that took place over a phone call, and also document the number that this user was reached at, how long the conversation took place, and any other additional information that you would like to include on top of that. Next, we have our RFIs, or requests for information. This is a formal documentation tool that allows for you to receive the answers that you need for information pertaining to the project. So if there's anything that needs further clarification, you can pose a RFI and then get that information and have that stored for later reference. Next, we have our submittal feature. This is a formal approval system that ensures that the job is done correctly. It allows you to receive the appropriate verification and documentation that is needed to make sure that a job runs smoothly, including historical records of these submittals for your future reference. And then finally, we have our transmittal feature. This is a formal option for transmitting and tracking documentation. It allows for sending critical documents to project managers, owners, architects, and much more. All right, so that concludes today's tutorial. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out using the live chat functionality or by searching the knowledge base. And as always, have a fantastic day.